Hello guys, welcome to Swhizz Technologies. So in this video, let's understand what is the gray box testing and ad hoc testing and exploratory testing. So what exactly the differences we do have among them and how they will be have the difference with respect to the scripting testing, nothing but. So we do have we do follow a proper structure, a formal way of the testing we do have. Okay, so compared to the scripting testing or the formal testing, and coming to some informal testings which includes ad hoc testing. Okay, so we'll discuss, have a look on these three different testing. So simple, already we completed already we have a lot many videos in our Swhizz Technologies YouTube channel, and that too in testing playlist. Okay, and there we already explored more about the black box testing. Okay, and the black box testing tree, everything we discussed. Okay, so in this we'll understand gray box testing, what exactly it will talks and what exactly we do inside of this, and ad hoc testing and exploratory testing. Okay, so gray box testing is performed by a person who will have the knowledge on white box testing and the black box testing. Okay, so if you want to go or if you want to know deep about white box testing and black box testing, so there is a video we are having separate on each. Okay, please go through with them. So coming to ad hoc testing means ad hoc testing will be performed by a person who is having the complete knowledge on the black box testing or the software testing. Okay, so so the experienced candidate on the software testing, so he may have 5 plus years of experience. Okay, 7 plus years of experience he is having. So on the basis of that person's knowledge and the experience only, we may depend on this ad hoc testing results also. So coming to exploratory testing means, so this is actually a testing will be used or will be performed when we are having the minimal documentation. Okay, so minimal documentation with respect to the requirements, okay, with respect to the user stories which is given by the client. Okay, so in agile methodology, so we can take the exploratory testing means under the agile, the software testers, what exactly they're executing, we can say as exploratory, because in agile process we are not concentrating much on the documentation. Okay, so in that particular sprint, it's about hard 1 to 4 weeks. In that duration, whatever the requirements were coming to develop and test and deployment, we are focusing on those four only. So we are not focusing much on the documentation. Okay, so even though the documentation, there is no proper or there is no structured documentation, still you have to do understand the requirements, and still you have to do perform the system testing. So that testing we can simply say exploratory testing. Okay. Now, so ad hoc testing is a informal testing. So informal testing means there is no proper procedure, there is no proper writing test cases, there is no reviewing of test cases, there is no report generation by testing is also. It's completely informal. Okay, it's completely informal. So that's why we are calling it the ad hoc testing. But how to make sure that results by the ad hoc testing is giving best results means, so I said now, so we are depending on the person's knowledge who is having very good experience in software testing, like 5 plus 4 plus 6 plus 7 plus years of experience, and he is having good knowledge on all the models or the different domains. Whatever he said, on the basis of that results only we do depend, and we do focus on, we do moving on with the test results. There is no proper generation of the test results also. Okay, so gray box testing means it's a half like a structured or the scripting testing. Okay, scripting testing means where we do follow a proper systematic way of testing, like a informal testing. Scripting testing means formal testing. So coming to gray box testing, we can consider as this is a both scripting and the informal also, because a single person like who is having the white box testing and the black box testing knowledge, he is performing the gray box testing. So we can consider it's like a scripting testing also. So exploratory testing means here we are following the systematic way only. Okay, this is also comes under the formal testing, but here we are having the minimal documentation of the requirements, but still we are working on the test execution of the build without any missing of the models. Okay, so this is about the exploratory testing. Okay, I hope the differences among these three testings and the scripting testing is clear. Thank you guys.